Hello everyone, this is Not the End Crochet. How you doing today? I'm just touching in and see what I'm up to. I do more than buy yarn. Trust me, I do. Doesn't look like it according to my videos, but yes, I do buy other things like beads, and you saw the bead one. And I do other things like macrame. I just started back in that, and it's hanging over there on the door, waiting to see what I'm gonna do to it next. But I got 2 whips in the works, really kind of 3. Let's see. But the long-term one is my nephew's bedspread. I'm revamping it. It was just double crochets done in different, like double crochet skip, and then 2 double crochet, and then all across double crochet, I think. Yeah, that's what it's like. And this all that's left right now. And it's really every 3 rows makes a granny square, and that's what I'm doing. I'm granny squaring everything. Get that out the way and show you some of the granny squares like this. And it's at random how the colors come out, because I turn my work every round, and I'm doing 8 rounds. I don't know why 8 stuck in my head. Usually I do them bigger, like 12 and 13, but 8 stuck in my head. Some of them got more gray, some of them got more black, some of them got more white. It's just coming out that way. It's just luck of the draw. This is newspaper stripe from Red Heart. Once I get them all done, then I'll put the panels together, sew them together, then I'll border it, and he'll have a whole new afghan. And let's see, second whip is tangled up in that one, so let me see if I can get it untangled, and I'll show it to you. Okay. My nephew loves cows, and he likes camouflage. So I'm making him a black and camouflage cow. This shouldn't take me but a couple of days. This yarn. What's slowing down the process is this yarn. It's really not hook friendly. It wouldn't talk to any of my hooks. My tulip, my clover, my Susan Bates, wouldn't talk to any of them. But this one, it talked to. It worked with it. The Hobby Lobby Luxury Ergonomic. I hope it don't make me out to be a lie, but it talked to it. Worked fine. Yeah, still doing fine. So this will be the hook that I'll use on the project. I think he'll like it. It's gonna come out pretty decent. And there's a seam, but you really can't see it that well, so I don't know what I'll do with that. I'll jump up and go across and keep going. Get up so high, then put black on the top. And I did the back loops of the foundation chain, because I just think that looks better on something like this. So can't wait to see what it's gonna look like when I get through. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you're lurking and you're trying to see what I'm about, I'm just a woman that likes to crochet and wants to share it with everybody else. Yeah, that's it. I know it's a little unorthodox and I'm not professional, but I think crochet ought to be fun, and I love doing it. And if you're like me, then you're gonna love doing it too. You all keep sweet. God bless. Hugs and peace out.